If your manager allows you to see everyone's schedule, you can see when everyone in your organization is scheduled to work. Click on Everyone's Schedule. Here you can see everyone's shifts for the day. Click on any shift for more details. You'll see an option to send a message to the employee scheduled for that shift. And if you're eligible to trade or pick it up, you'll also see this link. If you're able to swap this shift, you can pick one of your other shifts on this list. Then you can offer it in trade. You can select various days of the week by choosing these tabs. If you notice a shift that is not assigned to anyone, you can click on that. If you're able to work the shift, there will be a link to pick it up. And if not, you'll be notified that you cannot work this one. You can also see everyone's schedule for the week or the month. Again, you can click on shifts to see information, send messages, and sometimes trade or pick up the shift. You can navigate through the months using the arrows at the top of the screen. Everyone's Schedule chart view shows you who's scheduled on which day this week. On any of these views, you can filter the view by position. For example, if you want to see only inventory shifts, click there. These shifts are only the shifts associated with the inventory position. The filter is highlighted yellow to remind you that you filtered this view. Finally, you can see everyone's schedule in an in-out view. This allows you to see when people arrive and leave on a given day, whether they have one shift, or maybe 2 or 3 shifts all in a row. In the WhenToWork app, you can see your next shift on the dashboard. If you click on that shift, you will go to a page that shows the day. Your own schedule is listed at the top, and everyone else's schedule is listed below. Again, you can click on shifts to see more details. If you click on Schedules, and then you choose Weekly, you can choose any day to go to a page that shows your schedule, followed by everyone's schedule. In the Schedules section, you can see a list of your own upcoming shifts. If you click on one, you'll find a link to show Full Day. Click there and you'll be right back to the view of everyone's schedule below your own. If you click on All Scheduled Dates, you'll see a calendar. You can select any day from this calendar and you'll see your schedule followed by everyone's schedule. In the WhenToWork app, whenever you select a day in the Schedule section, you'll get this view of your shifts followed by everyone else's shifts.